Hello friends, welcome to TechieJack. Myself, Microsoft trainer and contributor to TechieJack. In this video demonstration, we will see how to configure message delivery restrictions. Friends, message delivery restrictions are useful to control who can send messages to users in your organization. For example, we can configure a mailbox to accept or reject messages sent by specific users or to accept messages only from users in your Exchange organization. So friends, now let's jump to our Exchange Admin Center and let's configure message delivery restrictions. Okay friends, so now we are on our Exchange Admin Center, and now friends, we will enter the credentials of administrator of TechieJack. So first we will enter the domain, which is techiejack/administrator. Okay friends, so now we will enter the password and now we will click on sign in. So now we are on our Exchange Admin Center. To configure message delivery restrictions, we will click on recipients and now we'll click on mailbox. Okay friends, so now let's understand message delivery restrictions with one example. In our organization, we have Mark, he is head of the HR department, and Jack and Alexa both are users of different department. We don't want Alexa and Jack to send email directly to Mark. So we will configure message delivery restrictions on Mark so that Alexa and Jack do not send email directly to Mark, right? So for that we will click on Mark and now we'll click on edit. Okay friends, so now we are inside edit user mailbox properties of Mark and now we will click on mailbox features. We'll go down and as you can see message delivery restrictions is here. So we'll click on view details. Okay friends, so inside message delivery restrictions you can see accept messages from all senders is selected. You can select the radio box of only sender in the following list. So when you will select this, you can add only those users whom you want to send email to Mark, right? So we will leave it as it is to all senders. And now one more feature is there, which is reject messages from. So guys, we don't want Jack and Alexa to send email to Mark. So we will select reject messages from. And now we will select the radio button of senders in the following list. So we'll select this and now we'll press add button. Okay friends, so now we will select our users whom we don't want to send email to Mark. So we will select Alexa, we'll click on add and we will select Jack as well and then we'll click on add button. Now click on OK and as you can see inside display name we have both the users name listed. If we want to delete Jack, so we can click on this minus button, it will remove Jack. Let me show you. So as you can see Jack is now removed. So we'll add him again. We'll click on plus button and now we'll click on Jack. Click on add and click on OK. So guys, both the users are now selected and now we'll click on OK and click on save. Okay friends, so we have successfully configured our message delivery restrictions for the user Mark. And now let's jump to our Outlook and let's log in with the credentials of Alexa and Jack and let's see if they both are able to send email to Mark. So friends, now we are on Outlook on web. So first, now we will enter the credentials of Alexa. So we'll enter the domain name, which is TechieJack. Username is Alexa. We will enter the password of Alexa. We'll click on sign in. Okay friends, so now we have to compose email. We will click on new. We will enter the subject, which is test email to Mark. And now we will enter the message. Okay friends. So inside to we will enter the email address of Mark. We'll enter Mark and now we'll click on search directory. Okay, so as you can see mark@techiejack.online is now selected and now you can see we received one message. You don't have permission to send to Mark. Okay, so still we will click on send. Okay, and now we'll wait for some time. Our message is inside draft. You can see the message is inside draft. We'll click on inbox and we'll wait for some time. Okay friends, so as you can see we have received one email from Microsoft Outlook. We'll click on this and you can see we have received one mail. Delivery has failed to these recipients or groups, which is mark@techiejack.online. So your message could not be delivered to the mailbox because you don't have permission to send to it. So friends, now we'll check if Jack is able to send email to Mark or not. So we'll click here and now we'll click on sign out. And now we'll enter the credentials of Jack. We will enter the password and we'll click on sign in. Now we'll compose email. Okay friends, so we have entered the subject and message. Okay friends, so now we will enter the email address of Mark, which is Mark, and now we'll click on search directory. Okay, so now Mark is selected and now we'll click on send. Okay, so we have received one mail. We'll click here and as you can see, delivery has failed to this recipient. Your message could not be delivered to the mailbox because you don't have permission to send it. So guys, we have successfully configured message delivery restrictions. That's it for this video demonstration. I will see you guys in next video.
So friends, if you found the video informative, do subscribe the channel and also check out some other video links on the screen.